A personal vision statement. What is it? Why do you need one? And how do you create your own? In this video, I'll answer these 3 questions and I'll provide a simple 4-part process for you to create your personal vision statement. Plus, I'll share my personal vision statement example. In this video, we'll talk about personal vision statements, but you can change some of the terms here, some of the questions, and apply this to your career, your business, or your community. Why do you need a personal vision statement? The short answer is you can either be bored or you can be inspired. Not much of a choice, really. Inspiration happens when we connect what we're doing right now to something that's important to us, something that inspires us. Having a personal vision statement makes it easy to do this every single day. All you need to do is write it down and refer to it. It gives us direction, purpose, and energy. And it becomes a really strong benchmark for making decisions in your life. For example, if your family is important to you, then you can use this as a reference for where to live. What is a personal vision statement? It's a short description of how you want to live your life. And there are a few different ways you can do this. The classic way is to paint a picture or your ideal scenario of your life. You might also create a short list of the actions you want to take or who you want to become. Plus, you can distill it down into a single sentence so it really captures the essence of your personal vision. And you can also present it graphically in a word cloud or a vision board or however takes your fancy. To create your personal vision statement, there are 4 simple steps you need to take. The first step is to start dreaming and wishing. You want to answer the question, what would you like your life to be like? And the best way to do this is to answer specific questions across different aspects or domains or categories of your life. Here are 10 categories to create your wish list. And pause this video to take notes for each one. Lifestyle. How do you want to live? How much work do you want to do? Where do you want to live? Money. How much money do you want to earn? And what do you want to do to earn that money? Work. Describe your ideal week or ideal working day. What activities would you be doing? People. Who do you want to hang out with? Is it friends, family, work colleagues? Create. What do you want to create? This might be through your work, through your family, in your community, or as your hobby. Location. Where do you want to be? Do you want one fixed location? Do you want to travel back and forth? Or do you want to be constantly on the move with a mobile lifestyle? Learning. What skills, information, or wisdom do you want to learn? Health. What will you do to maintain and build your well-being? Play. What will you do in your leisure time? And where will you do it? And what else? Is there another category you'd like to add here? Something for your business, something for your community, or just something else? What else is important to your future? And to help inspire you if you're looking at lifestyle design, here's a couple of other videos that I've created previously that might inspire you. The second step in creating your personal vision statement is to paint your picture. Consider your answers to the previous exercises, the 10 questions, as your raw materials here. Use them to mold and build and sketch out what your ideal life would look like. The key here is to be as descriptive and as colourful as you can be. You don't want to just say, live with partner. No thrill in that. You want to look at what would be the joyful, happy celebrations that you'd enjoy with your partner. Again, pause this video to take some notes. And remember, the value here is not watching the video. It's what you write down and use in your future. So far, we've been expanding and exploring and brainstorming ideas about what your ideal future could look like. In the third step in creating your personal vision statement, we want to start to narrow things down and pick the important pieces. So go back over what you've written in the previous 2 exercises and start to look for the keywords that stand out for you. For example, my keywords are around being creative, projects, travel, location independence, being grateful, being happy, being mindful. And if I could pick one word that summarized my whole personal vision of what I want my life to be like, it would be create. That sums me up, and it sums up the life I want to live. Now for the all-important step where we put all of that together into a single personal vision statement. And there are two ways to do this. The first way is to write a series of sentences that might look like this. And the second way is to write a series of short bullet point statements that could look like this. There's no right answer here. You probably don't want it too long, but you don't want it too short either. Whatever you think is the right amount for you. And here's my personal vision statement example. Be creative, anytime, anywhere. It's got the three main things for me: being creative, travel, about being anywhere, and having autonomy and choice about being able to do that anytime that I want. Words have power. What we call things defines our experience of them. Is it good, bad, or is it magnificent? And to put this word power into play with your personal vision statement, we want to call it something. We want to name it something that captures the spirit of you and the life you want to live. Geoff's vision statement. Now that's a bit lame, isn't it? There's no excitement going on there. But if I called it anywhere, anytime, then that captures some excitement about what my life and my lifestyle could look like as I create my own projects and live anywhere on the planet, working whenever I want to. So the final bonus step here is for you to create a sexy name or a title for your personal vision statement. And remember, you don't have to pick this right now for the rest of your life. All of this is fluid. You can rework it, rebuild it, rewrite it, and let it evolve as you live your life. For now, write something specific down and take that as the best you've got today. Now that you've created your personal vision statement, what are you going to do with it? How are you going to use this to inspire you to have a great life every single day? There's one crucial thing you must do. You need to give it presence in your life. Not presents, presence. In other words, you need to think about it and ideally act on it every single day. This could be as simple as reading what you've just written every morning when you wake up. Or you could read it and reflect on it when you go to bed and compare. Here's my ideal, here's how my day panned out. How did I do? Another easy way to presence your personal vision is to put a copy of it around where you're living and working. For instance, it might be on your fridge, your bathroom mirror, or perhaps on the wall or on your desk where you work. Remember to remind yourself of the life you want to live so you can be inspired every day and live the life you want. And feel free to add your personal vision statement in a comment down below. I'd love to see what you've created. And if you've got any questions around this, please ask and I'll give you my best answer. And in our next video, we'll look at the curly question of what's the difference between a vision statement and a mission statement. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.